Everyone, welcome back to my channel Brainwave Bliss GK. So today we are going to cover a very simple but essential feature on your MacBook, that is how to enable right click. So if you're missing that extra functionality on your trackpad or mouse, I've got you covered. So let's get started. So on my Mac, when I'm trying to right click, I'm not getting I'm not getting other options which we should get after doing right click. So to enable it, what we have to do here is you have to go to trackpad settings, and I'll show you how you can do that. So you have to click on the Apple logo, which is on the left top corner of the screen. You have to click on it, and then you have to click on system settings. Once you select system settings, you can see you will get multiple options here. You have to drag gradually and you have to go all the way down, and you will see here trackpad. So we have to come to this place, and here it should be selected as point and click. We have other options here which we are not going to check now, but because we are just recording this session for right click enabling on MacBook. So we have to select point and click here. After that, here you will see multiple options here. You can choose as per your requirement, but we have to come directly to secondary link. This is the one which is for right click, to enable right click on your Mac computer. So what we have to do here, so you can see secondary click, and this is the option which is selected: click or tap with two fingers. So if I tap with two fingers, I should be able to get that option. I was not knowing that. So if let me try pressing with two fingers. Let's see what option I get. So you can see I just anywhere on the trackpad, I just put my two fingers and pressed it, and I can see what option I should be getting. By doing right click, I'm getting those options. So that means this is the settings which was selected here. But let's see what other settings we have here. So we can just click on the drop down, and you can see here, click on bottom right corner or click in bottom left corner of any of the file. Or so you can see these options are here which you can find. So this is what we have to select, but I think this is the one which is better, and I feel using this one will be better. And for most users, click with two fingers is the most common and convenient choice. So just use two fingers to click on your trackpad to perform a right click. That is what I will suggest you. So this is what I wanted to let you know. But if suppose you're using external mouse, so for that, right click will be enabled by default. So if you are still not able to see that options, then what you have to do, you have to go to system preferences and then select the mouse and make sure that secondary click is enabled there. I'm sure once you check that, you should be able to enable it. Hope you like this video. You have successfully enabled right click on your MacBook. If you find this video helpful, be sure to give a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips and tricks. If you have any questions or need help with anything else, drop a comment below. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.